Hello and welcome to KnowHow. In today's tutorial, we will be showing you how to import data from a PDF file into an Excel spreadsheet. This process is super handy for organizing and analyzing data quickly and efficiently. First, make sure you have the PDF file you want to import data from saved on your computer. Also ensure that you have Microsoft Excel installed and ready to go. Here on the desktop I have the folder in which I have the result file in the PDF format. Like here you can see, if I open this file, in this file I have the result of the student and I want to import the data from this PDF file into Excel so that I can generate some graphical reports using this data. Instead of typing it manually, I want to get it ready in seconds. How we can do this? Let's learn. And now I will open Microsoft Excel. I will open a blank workbook. Then I will go to this data tab and then I will click this get data, and under the file I will click this from PDF. A file explorer window will open. Here I will browse to the location where I have saved my file. I'll go to desktop and click on this folder. After selecting this file, I will click import. The navigator window will appear that shows a preview of the tables and data in your PDF file. Here I can select the table or the data that I want to import. For example, if I want to get this table 2 on my data sheet, I will select it and then click load. So here you go, the data is imported from that file. Here I can go to these different types of table designs and choose the design that I want. Additionally, I can apply different filters and get the customized result. Like if I only want to see the result of the student with A grade, I will check this A grade and uncheck B and C and then click OK. So the only students with the A grade will remain in this list. If I want to rearrange this data or wanted to delete or arrange some column, I can go to this query option and then click edit. This will take me to the Power Query editor. Here I can easily choose any column, remove any column, or I can just split the columns in the way I want. For example, if I only want to retain the list of the student's roll number, student's name and the grade, then I can go to this choose column option. I will click this choose column and here I can select the roll number, student name and the grades and then click OK. So you can see that only these 3 columns remains from all the data. If I want to go to the previous step, I can click here to the previous step where I have been previously, or I can just click the last one to get the last result. Once I have done the editing, I can go to this close and load button and click it, and this will change the data in the way I have been doing in the Power Query. Now if I wanted to get the graphical result, I can go to the insert tab and click recommended chart, and here you can see that I can get the graph using the pivot table chart analyzer. I will copy this chart and go to the sheet where I want to paste. I will paste it, rearrange it, and that's it. You have successfully imported data from a PDF file into Excel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.